All right, everybody, this is Dominic from fulltimepressure.com, and I just want to introduce you to some of the tools at the Black Business Bible, some of the free tools. Today, I really want to discuss the domain name generator. Now, the domain name generator is a very important tool, especially if you're just starting your business or you're looking to start running a website for your business. You're going to come down here to the domain name name generator. It says domain generator, and it only takes a second. Now, if your business deals with natural hair care, you're just going to put in natural hair care and solutions. And this is going to generate domain names based on your keywords. Natural hair care solutions.com, natural hair care services, natural hair care solutions LLC, pure natural hair care solutions, all from artificial intelligence based on your keyword. These are the domains that are available. That might be 50 domains, and you simply click buy, and it redirects you to name silo to purchase your domain. Any keywords that you want to search, custom gym shoes, and you want to limit your keyword search to 2 or 3 things because you want to keep, for SEO purposes and business purposes, you want to try to keep your domain name under 18 characters max. Custom gym shoes USA, the custom gym shoes, custom gym sneakers, custom space gym space shoes, customgymshoes.com, and the list goes on and on. Custom gym sneakers XYZ, custom gym shoes.biz, further and further down the list. And again, you click on buy. It takes you to name silo. And then, if you're registering one domain, it's going to be $10.95, 1 to 50 domains. And you can see the different, extensions.com, .net, .org, club, biz, night, life, info. And what I do personally is when I find one domain that I like, I grab that domain and I grab all the other extensions, especially the most popular extensions, because that helps me protect my business and my brand against fraud and people trying to scam based on, a similar domain name as my strong domain that's generating a lot of revenue. You have to be precautious as a business owner when it comes to things like this. And again, it just has hundreds of extensions. If you were making your custom gym shoes cheap, you could put this cheap extension on there. If there was a Christmas sale, put the Christmas on there. You just want to dominate the market and be everywhere people are looking, and everywhere you can be found. And these domains, they don't have to take a lot of work. You can take and put one product on there and a button for them to make the purchase. We go back to the domain name generator. We can look at something like air conditioner. I'll put air conditioning install and fast. Air conditioning install quick.net. Texas air conditioning install fast. Air conditioner install fast. And you can switch the words up yourself to like fast air conditioning install. And if you had like a lead magnet, and a lead magnet, for those of you guys who don't know, is just a ebook that can provide them, or a checklist or something that you give your potential customers in exchange for their email information so you can market to them in the future. So if Texas air conditioning install fast.info had a lead magnet, they would put it up, get people to click that. That would give them more information about air conditioning and how they're able to install it faster and cheaper than all the competition, but still provide a quality of service that they'd expect from somebody paying twice as much. This is all part of your marketing strategy. So now that you've seen the domain generator, go back to the home page. Again, this is Dominic from fulltimepressure.com. If you enjoyed this video on the domain generator, like, share, and subscribe. I look forward to giving you more information that's going to help you grow your black business.